Hello students, I hope you have watched my previous video that explains number system and types of number system. So today I have come up with a new video that covers the conversions and computer arithmetic part of the lesson number system for class 7. Two main topics that I'm going to explain through my video are number 1 conversions and number 2 computer arithmetic.
By now, we have understood that computer only understands binary number system, so it is necessary for all the decimal numbers to be converted into binary number. So we are going to learn two types of conversions. First, binary number system into decimal number system, and second, decimal number system into binary number system. Let us start with decimal number system into binary number systems. Let us look at the steps. These are the three steps that we need to understand to convert any number into binary. First, divide the given number by 2. Step 2, write the remainder and keep dividing the quotient by 2. And step 3, keep on doing step 2 till the quotient is 0. We will understand this with the help of example. So let us move ahead to the example.
We will understand decimal to binary conversion with the help of one example. Here we have taken decimal number 25 that is being converted into binary number. So according to the steps, we will keep on dividing the number by 2 and keep on recording the remainders on this side. So we will divide 25 by 2, then quotient becomes 12 and remainder becomes 1. We will again divide 12 by 2, quotient becomes 6 and remainder becomes 0. We will keep on doing this until our quotient becomes 0. The last step is to record all the remainders from bottom to top. So the conversion becomes 1 1 0 0 1. As we all are aware that humans cannot understand binary number, so there is a need to convert those binary numbers into decimal numbers. So we will see that again there are three steps that are sufficient to convert a binary number into decimal number. And the steps are: step 1, multiply each binary number with its positional value in terms of powers of 2. Step 2, increase the power one by one, keeping the base fixed as 2. Base is fixed as 2 because we are dealing with binary number that has only 2 digits. Step 3, sum up all the products to get the decimal number. Now we will see one example to understand this. This is an example of binary to decimal conversion. We have one binary number 1 1 0 0 1. We will start the conversion from the rightmost side. Means we will take this 1 as its positional value is 0. Its positional value is 0, so that is why we will multiply this number by 2 raised to power 0. Then the next digit will be multiplied by 2 raised to power 1. Then the next 0 will be multiplied by 2 raised to power 2. We will keep on increasing the power by 1. The last digit is multiplied by 2 raised to power 4. We have to keep it in mind that 2 raised to power 0 is always 1. So that is why this number becomes 1. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0, again 0. Now 2 raised to power 3 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which becomes 8. And the last digit becomes 16. Now the last step is to add all the numbers we have just obtained. Means 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 plus 16, that becomes 25. We all can see a new term computer arithmetic here. But what does it mean? We all know arithmetic in mathematics means doing some mathematical calculations. But what is computer arithmetic? Basically, Computer also needs some kind of mathematical calculations to manipulate its data. As computer works on digits, so it needs those arithmetic calculations to manipulate its data. There are two kinds of arithmetic operations, binary addition and binary subtraction, that we are going to see in detail. Before we begin with binary addition, we have to understand few rules. There are four rules that we have to keep in mind, and the rules are 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1. We are not doing decimal addition, so we have to keep in mind this is binary addition, and the rules that we have to follow will be always fixed. Let us understand the binary addition with two examples given here. We will see the first example. We will start the addition from the rightmost side and we will keep on following the rules we have just discussed. Like 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, and so on. The next example is an example that arises a carry. 1 plus 1 is 1 carry and 0. Again 1 plus 1 is 1 carry and 0. So we will keep on doing this and we will get the answer 1 1 1 0 0 0. You all please try this. It needs some kind of pen and paper practice to understand. Moving forward to the next topic, binary subtraction. Here also in binary subtraction we have to follow four simple rules, and the rules are 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, and 0 minus 1 is 1 with a borrow from the previous column as we do in decimal number system. On the screen you can see three examples of binary subtraction are given. So let's understand the subtraction through these examples. In first example, simple subtraction is there, 1 minus 0 is 1. In the second example, 1 minus 0 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. We can skip writing 0. In the third example, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, 0 it's carried like this only, and 1 it's written like this. We will start our binary subtraction and addition from the rightmost side. We will always keep this in mind. So this topic finishes our lesson, and at the last I would like to provide some of the online resources which you can refer to understand the topic better. I hope you have enjoyed watching my video and it has helped you in understanding the topic better, and so keep watching for more videos. Thank you everyone.